10 new features, 17 bug fixes and 8 improvements across 2 releases. Starting with performance. Startup memory usage drops by 18 megabytes everywhere and up to 80 megabytes on large repositories with over 250,000 files. The add-mentioned file autocomplete is also noticeably faster in big repos now. The plugin system gets 5 upgrades. You can now declare plugins inline in settings.json with the new settings source. The CLI detects tool usage patterns to suggest relevant plugins. Skills and /commands support an effort frontmatter field to override model effort. Plugin seed directories accept multiple paths, and plugin install tips are simplified to a single command. VS Code gets a standout feature. /remote control bridges your session to claude.ai/code so you can continue from a browser or phone. Session tabs now get AI-generated titles based on your first message. The thinking pill correctly shows thought for n seconds after responses, and the session diff button is back in the sidebar. 2 CLI fixes and 2 new flags. The console flag on Claude Auth login connects to Anthropic console for API billing authentication. Claude-P no longer hangs when spawned as a sub-process. Ctrl+C works again in print mode. And Channels is a research preview that lets MCP servers push messages into your session. Voice mode gets 2 reliability fixes. It now activates correctly on startup when voice enabled is set to true, and WebSocket connections no longer fail from Cloudflare bot detection on non-browser fingerprints. On the Statusline side, scripts can now access rate limits with 5-hour and 7-day usage windows. Plus there is a new show, turn duration toggle. 6 navigation improvements across the board. /permissions now responds to tab and arrow keys properly. /effort shows what auto currently resolves to, matching the status bar. /sandbox tab switching works with keyboard navigation. The background tasks panel closes with left arrow from list view. And 2 Statusline edge cases are resolved. 7 reliability fixes for sessions and the API layer. -- resume no longer drops parallel tool results. Non-streaming API calls get a 2-minute per attempt timeout to prevent hangs. Session and hooks fire correctly when using interactive/resume. 400 errors through API proxies, Bedrock and Vertex are fixed. Enterprise users can retry on rate limits. And managed settings load correctly from cache. Run Claude update to get both releases right now. Over 75,000 developers are already building with Claude code on GitHub. If these updates help your workflow, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a release.